Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to blur an image in Canva. This is a canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Let's go with an Instagram post to get a square template like this one. First, I will add an image to my new template, and to blur this image, just select it like that. Click on this edit button from this top toolbar. Look for effects. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. For effects, and select this blur effect. Click on it. Here you can select whole image and edit the intensity of the blur using this slider. And this is how to blur an image in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.